Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. The Husqvarna 701 is a really great dual sport bike in a base, and we have a lot of great experiences with it. We did many travels, we did many rallies with it, and it's really a perfect bike. But we decided to push it even further and make it even more convenient for the adventure riding as well as for the hobby rally riding. That's why I would like to introduce you today the fairing kit for the Husqvarna 701. Let me speak about already the 5th generation of the fairing kit for the Husqvarna 701. That gives you better wind protection, strong LED headlights, and more space for the navigation. The new fairing kit is nothing from the shelf. It was designed from the scratch to match the size of the motorbike. So we try to make it very compact, so it doesn't disturb you when riding even in hard terrain, while still having the navigation in good viewpoint. And secondly, we try to match the design of the motorbike so the kit looks like it's coming from the factory. The main differentiator and innovation of the RG fairing kit is the carbon tower. We made it very stable, but also with certain portion of flexibility so it can absorb all the vibrations in riding hard terrain. And on top of it, it's very light. The carbon tower itself has only half kg, which is significantly lower than any competitive solution on the market. And the low weight is super important factor because it directly influences the handling of the bike, because we are speaking about the item that is totally out of center of gravity in front of the bike and on top of the bike. The tower is made from carbon prepreg in autoclave under high pressure and temperature. Actually, the same technology as is used in aviation, Formula 1 or on factory-ready motorbikes. To get the best combination of low weight and stiffness, we use variable amount of layers. The base are 3 carbon layers, and in the areas where the holes, we use further reinforcements. And especially here in the neck part, we use 8 layers of carbon and stainless steel metal inserts to hold the holes in the correct position. And on top of it, whenever you see the holes, they are coming directly from the mold, so we don't disturb the structure of the material by drilling. And newly, all the carbon towers from RADE Garage are coming with a nice satin finishing. We fully trust the quality and durability of the RG carbon tower, so we give you the lifetime guarantee. Even if you have bad luck, you crash and you destroy the tower, we'll change it for you like this. When designing the fairing kit for the Husqvarna 701, the durability and endurance was very critical parameter for us. That's why we try to select the materials and design it in a way that is really difficult to crack. The windshield as well as the side panels are made from Lexan, very flexible material that is difficult to crack. The windshield holders sit on the silent blocks that reduce the vibrations and prevents some of the hits impacting the tower. In the end, the solution is very stable, even if you ride in difficult terrain and you have to read in a map, it's not shaking. But it has also good portion of flexibility to absorb some of your crashes and increase the chance you will come home in one piece. The safety feature of the RG fairing kit are the strong LED headlights, the high beam and the low beam. They have both together the input of 70 watts and 6000 lumens, which is more than double in comparison to the original headlamp. And we get this great performance because of original Cree chipset and true glass optics. The RG headlights are road legal with ECE certification across all Europe, and you will get the copy of the certificate in the box together with the headlights. We do many travels ourselves, so we know how important it is to have enough space for navigation and in good viewpoint. That's why the RG fairing kit comes with a wide crossbar where you can place various types of navigations. And one more remark, the crossbar sits on the silent blocks that reduce the vibrations and it's more gentle to your device. To simplify the mounting of your device to the crossbar, you will get within the RG fairing kit also a platform that we call Garmin adapter. We call it Garmin adapter because it's directly compatible with the Garmin cradle or with the RAM mount. You can mount the platform / your device on a crossbar in 2 different vertical positions and 1 horizontal position. And you can even set up your angle to have your device in a perfect viewpoint. You can fit comfortably into the RG cockpit the big navigation tablet or 2 standard devices next to each other. Every device needs to be charged and the RG tower is ready for that. Actually, we relocated the OEM USB port from the OEM headlamp into the tower. You can see here. And this is the customer setup. So the customer wanted to have 2 USB ports. So it's no problem. You can order from our eShop how many USB ports you want if you need more than 1. If you plan to use, for instance, navigation tablet, then we recommend to connect the cable directly to the power source in a tower. That's for you have here such a grommet and you can put through the cable from the navigation tablet. In the end, with the RG kit for Husqvarna 701, you should feel more comfortable on the road transfers because of the windshield, more safe when riding in the dark because of the LED headlights, and never get lost with the navigation under your nose. And all that is wrapped in attractive RADE design, so you can feel like a pro rider even on your adventure trip. So if you like it, please order on our eShop. We'll be very proud and happy.